There's Tiffany. There you go. Let's open this up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Purse Love and today is February 13th. I ordered this last Thursday, which is February 11th. And yeah, I also ordered something yesterday from Tiffany and Company as well. And I thought it would come same day as this item, but it got delayed somehow. I don't know why. They came in different locations, so I'm not sure about that. So what happens? But anyways, this is my 2021 first Tiffany and Company unboxing. Look at that, guys. Let's open this up. This is an early Valentine's gift. Okay. So, my husband told me that I can order something I like. So, yeah. Anyways. So, this is how it packed. It was packed like that. We have some this receipt or something, and then this is the card. Okay, oops, they have a nice card, guys. This is the card. It's like that, guys. Very neatly packaged. It's a good thing that they include the shopping bag already. You don't have to call anymore, because before whenever I ordered online, you need to call for them to include this Tiffany and Company gift bag. Okay, in store, when I'm buying in store, they include me mostly if I buy silver. Like last time I went to Paramos, New Jersey store, Tiffany and Company. I bought a chain necklace there, and they gave me a free small cleaning cloth, but online they're not giving it. I don't know. But anyways, this is our item. I'm so excited. If you are my subscribers and you are following my videos of unboxing of Tiffany and Company, you know that this is the only missing piece that I should get long time back. But I'm so really thinking about it, because as you know, I have a lot of earrings already. So well I really told it already that it's some kind of ring. Let's open this up, guys. See that? Oh my gosh. So typical care of sterling silver. It's here, and then their box, this blue box. All right, and their blue pouch. Yes, let's see this, guys. Let's open this up. There, guys. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is, guys? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Here we go, guys. This is the mini heart return to Tiffany earrings. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's not that mini, guys. It's It's big. For me, it's big. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. It is so pretty. Before I want to buy this, but I don't know. I said, okay, I don't need that. I don't need that. Until the price went up to 175. Before I want to buy it when it was 140 or $150. And then it was going up like how many times already. Then I said, okay, I'll pull the trigger. I will buy it. Okay, it's $175 now plus tax. So I got it 187 plus with tax. So there you go, guys. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm still waiting for the other item that I bought. So stay tuned with that, please, guys. And thank you all for watching. That's it for today. I might take picture of how it looks on my ears or ear. And yeah, as always, guys, thank you all for your support. This is First Love, and you are certified First Love. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone. Bye.